4 years ago, I posted a video about this chopper strategy, and I'm going to show you that video screenshot so you can see that. Here is the YouTube video, and you can see, let's go over the equity curve. The results are almost the same. I think there's some data updates. 23,250, 991 trades, 2346 average trade profit, and this was posted back in 2018. Is an 18-month back test. I have that up in 2023, that same test, and we're going to look at the out of sample. So looking at that going forward, there's about 3 additional trades. Sometimes there's some data updates over time, but essentially the same results over that time period, 994 trades instead of 991. Equity curve is right at the same. I wanted to do the out of sample analysis and tell you the reason for this setup, because this average trade profit is too small to trade. But we want to look at the cycles at the opening chop and show you what the trades were today. Incredible amount of chop lately at the open, and I want to show you that. So here are the out of sample results that include the results going back to May 8th, 2017, and we had these results. Then it went through a drawdown, then it went through a massive run up. And so you can see the cycles, and right now this is in a massive up cycle, and during that time period the average trade profit is high. But what we do notice is that this does go through a cycle, and how that affects us is that we have strategies that take advantage of the open and trends that happen at the open, and right now it's been very choppy, and those strategies have underperformed. They've gone through a drawdown, and this type of strategy has done really well, but overall this type of strategy has still a $23 going forward out of sample. It still averages $23 average trade profit, which is too low to trade. And this is on the S&P 1-minute chart. I'll show you the Easylanguage code in a minute. It's done really well today. If you take a look at these trades, that's one of the better days that I've seen this strategy. And let's look at the periodic returns. 86% profitable today. 86% of trades. It took 15 trades. So it's a lot of trades for one strategy. We don't have strategies that typically take that many trades. And so today it was extremely choppy before the market rolled over. And so you can see the results here. You can also take a look at what it's done this year. 66.50 on 57 trades. So over $100 average trade profit in 2023. So there are time periods in this cycle where the average trade profit is high enough. So this strategy could potentially be improved upon or traded within the cycle. If you can look at the average trade profit, say it's in a drawdown, then start on a drawdown, get out on a run up, start on a drawdown, get out on a run up, on something like this. And so that is something to take a look at. $45,000 in the last 12 months. Keep in mind, this is without slippage and commission. So we're looking at the raw numbers so we can get the average trade profit over $100 in 2023, and in the last 12 months, it's a little over $45 average trade profit, because there's almost 1,000 trades on around $45,000. So we could also change the stop loss and profit target. I'm going to show you the Easylanguage code now. So here is the exact same Easylanguage code that I showed you previously in that video from 4 years ago. We could, one of the things I did test was increase the stop loss and profit target, or add a profit target, and then increase the stop loss by a factor of 2 since the index values are higher now. Keeping in mind what we just looked at, what difference does this make? Does it improve the results? 66.50 on 46 trades. It's a little bit higher average trade profit there. We get over $50 average trade profit here. You're not stopped out as much, so you take less trades. And let's see, in 2022, yeah, same as about the last 12 months. And so let's look at the equity curve, and it's about the same. Average trade profit $26 doesn't make a huge difference, but it does push us over $50 average trade profit the last 12 months. And also the last, let's see, I guess as far as the last maybe in 2022, so over $50. So let's look at the code again, same as from 2018. You can pause the video, you can copy this down. We're just basically trading from 9:30 to 11 Eastern time, and 9:30 to 11 is when we enter trades, and we sell short at the open plus 0.1 times the range on a limit. And then the open, and this is the range of yesterday. So 10% of yesterday's range, high D minus low D. And then we buy the next bar at the open minus 10% of yesterday's previous day's range. So a lot of times you have this profit target, so it doesn't change it much because we're reversing a lot of times before we get to that profit target. Then we exit at 11:30 a.m. So the green is what's commented out and some other things that have been tested. And you can see here how this reverses a lot. So it's not hitting the profit target, it's reversing a lot before it hits that profit target. So that is a strategy called chopper, and it's in regards to the video that I posted 4 years ago. The video for that is in the link below on YouTube. And so you can see the out-of-sample analysis and how well it's done and how this could possibly be implemented in live trading, and as well as the cycles for trend trades at the open. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.